from Thugger. Drank by the paint, drove by the pine. Headed to the club and opened the box top down. Stumper about the climb, represent they time. If you love me, you gon' smile. If you hate me, you gon' cry.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I bought a few things for my Civic. Here, let me show you. Sway bars for really cheap on Facebook. And I'm gonna be installing these. I think these are just eBay brand, but yeah, we'll be installing these and I'll show you guys right now. And then before we install them, we'll be polishing them just so they look good. And then I also got something I've been wanting to get for a while, and it's the armrest. Right now I have this taken off because I was cleaning it, and I'll be installing this and I'll show you guys how to do it. And yeah, let's get to it, guys. Okay, so here are both strut bars next to each other. They look identical, but the one I recently bought looks a little bit more reinforced. Alright, to take them off, it's just these two bolts right here. You loosen them and it should pop off, and then the same thing with the other side. It should be the same, and then this whole thing comes off. You replace it with your new strut tower or strut bar, and you bolt it in, and that should be it. Okay, so here's the strut bar nice and bolted down. I just need to tighten down this Allen key. And then next to right there, you can see that I also need to tighten down the bolt. Okay, so now we just need to bolt down that Allen key and bolt I just said. Okay, so this one's a 16. You also want to make sure it's nice and tight. should be good. I just need to get the proper Allen key right here and then tighten it from back here. Hold it like that and then tighten it. So the Allen key for this one for me is a 5/16, and then the bolt on this side is a 14. And all you want to do is just crank it down so it doesn't go anywhere. Okay, so right here we're gonna cut out this part right here because that's where this strut is. It's right there if you can see it. And then we're gonna cut out so we can put the strut bar right here. So this is what your finished product should look like. And this is the piece I cut off. It wasn't very big. Now it's time for this side. Let's begin. This side is done, and now we're gonna mount up the strut bar. Alright, so right now I'm gonna take off these. Okay, so this one you're just gonna have to get in here and just try to get the right angle. And there you go. And then for the last one, we're gonna have to move the carpet out the way. Make sure you leave the bolts where you won't lose them. This one's right here. It's loose. And now we're just gonna install the strut bar. Okay, now install it. Just fish it in. And that's it right there. You just gotta bolt it down. It should be good. Okay, I think we might need to cut some more because it's kind of limiting my space, but I'll bolt this one in a little bit. You want to hand tighten it on first so you don't cross thread anything. Okay, we'll just tighten it a little bit, and then I'll cut this other side over here. This other side. So it's always best to cut less material so you can always come back and cut more. Okay, here's the install. This is what it looks like. And the install wasn't very hard. It was just tedious aligning the nuts. Okay, now that we're done with the struts, we'll replace this whole center console part because the one that I bought has the armrest. And then it's very simple to replace it. All you want these two tools. You want a flathead and a Phillips. A flathead to pry open this part right here. And then you have access to these two Phillips screws right here. Okay, after that, you want to push it back a little bit because it has a little clip right here. Or not a clip, but like a little part where it sits back here. Lift it open and it's out. And then now there's the armrest part right here. You just slip it in. It's basically the same thing. It's right here. And then it has this part right here. These parts right here. And you press it in, lift it up, and then you gotta get lined up. And there you go. And you put the screws back in. Okay, now you put the cover, press it in like that, and then like that. Now Here's the whole cover. And I don't have this on because I'm cleaning it right now. But this is the thing right here. This is where the e-brake is. And yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. It just has an armrest now. So I'm guessing it'll be more comfortable driving. And you can also store some things right here. I could probably store my phone. Or maybe some extra keys. You see, it's pretty sizable. But yeah. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.